The next question word that we're going to exercise with is the question word to where in Hebrew. Le'an. Le'an. And for that, let's refresh our memories and see how do we conjugate the verb linsoa, the verb to travel or to drive in the present tense in Hebrew. Linsoa. Only 4 conjugations, and let's start conjugating the verb linsoa. Masculine singular, ani nosea, ata nosea, hu nosea. Feminine singular, ani nosat, at nosat, hi nosat. Masculine plural, אנחנו נוסעים, אתם נוסעים, הם נוסעים. Feminine plural, אנחנו נוסעות, אתן נוסעות, הן נוסעות. The verb לנסוע, נוסע, נוסעת, נוסעים, נוסעות. If you don't have that verb already in your notebooks, write it down again, and we're going to start the exercise right now. Once again, you're going to see a sentence in front of you in English. Don't forget to pause the video and say it out loud in Hebrew. After that, play the video and see if you got it right. If you didn't get it right, write it down in your notebook. To where are you driving? לאן אתה נוסע? I am driving to work. אני נוסע לעבודה. To where are you driving? לאן את נוסעת? I'm driving to the mall. אני נוסעת לקניון. To where are you guys driving? לאן אתם נוסעים? We're driving to the supermarket. אנחנו נוסעים לסופר. To where are you girls driving? לאן אתן נוסעות? We're driving home. אנחנו נוסעות הביתה. And once again, let's refresh our memories and see how do we conjugate the verb ללכת in the present tense, the verb to go or to walk. The verb ללכת, 4 conjugations, אני הולך, אתה הולך, הוא הולך, אני הולכת, את הולכת, היא הולכת, אנחנו הולכים, אתם הולכים, הם הולכים, אנחנו הולכות, אתן הולכות, הן הולכות. The verb ללכת, הולך, הולכת, הולכים, הולכות. I'm sure you have this one in your notebooks. Just make sure that you have it. And let's get to the exercise. To where are you going? לאן אתה הולך? I'm going to the mall. אני הולך לקניון. To where are you going? לאן את הולכת? I'm going home. אני הולכת הביתה. To where are you guys going? לאן אתם הולכים? We're going to the shop. אנחנו הולכים לחנות. To where are you girls going? לאן אתן הולכות? We're going to the park. אנחנו הולכות לפארק. Excellent, and now let's learn another verb, the verb latus in Hebrew, which means to fly by plane somewhere. Latus. Let's see how do we conjugate it in the present tense. 4 conjugations, the verb latus, masculine singular, אני טס, אתה טס, הוא טס. Feminine singular, אני טסה, את טסה, היא טסה. Masculine plural, אנחנו טסים, אתם טסים, הם טסים. Feminine plural, אנחנו טסות, אתן טסות, הן טסות. טס, טסה, טסים, טסות. The verb לטוס. So this is a new verb, so write it down in your notebooks and we're going to carry on with the exercise with this verb. To where are you flying? לאן אתה טס? I'm flying to Russia. אני טס לרוסיה. To where are you flying? לאן את טסה? I'm flying to the USA. אני טסה לארצות הברית. To where are you guys flying? לאן אתם טסים? We're flying to Israel. אנחנו טסים לישראל. To where are you girls flying? לאן אתן טסות? We're flying to Germany. אנחנו טסות לגרמניה. Excellent work, guys. So this one pretty intense because we actually were covering 3 verbs, 2 of them which we knew, 1 of them is a new one, so don't forget to write it down. So don't forget that always when we're heading somewhere we need to use the question word le'an. And the preposition that answers the question is the preposition le. So when we're heading to a proper name, a name of a place, a name of a city, a name of a country, we will use it like le Germania, le Artsot Habrit, le Israel. So we'll use the indefinite form of the le preposition. Same goes for indefinite nouns. For example, we're going to a restaurant, not a particular restaurant, we'll also use le, misada. However, in most cases in daily activity, when we're heading to places that are not names of places, but usually they're definite. I'm going to the store, I'm going to work, I'm going home, whatever. So always we'll use dela. So obviously when we're saying I'm going home, we'll say אני הולך הביתה. But nevertheless, אני הולך לקניון, לחנות, לסופר, לפארק, etc. So that's it for this lecture and I'm going to see you in the next one.